2, 3.
This is part 2 of the lab, linear superposition. It's also interference. In this case, we're looking at a double slit. Each slit produces a wave, and those waves come together up here to either constructively interfere or destructively interfere. We see a pattern. This is the 0th order maximum, the 1st order maximum, the 2nd order maximum. In between, we've got minimums. So let's take a look over here with our double slit. Got a microwave source over here with our double slit. And we've got a receiver over there. Right now this is at 0 degrees. It reads 180, but it's actually, we'll just subtract 180 from each of the angle measurements. And our first measurement of 0 degrees reads
0.59.
We're going to move it 3 degrees away from the beginning, from the 0th order. Make another measurement.
183. And I'm reading 0.2. 0.3. Yeah, excuse me, 0.32.
So it's diving down pretty quickly. Another 3 degrees. Getting very, very close to the minimum now, it looks like.
186. And we're reading about 1.8.
Keep going, another 3 degrees.
It's 189. And it looks like it's reading 1.1.
Okay, keep going. We'll watch it come back up here very shortly. Oh, starting to come back up. We reached our minimum. We're up all the way back up towards the first order maximum now.
192, we're looking at 0.24.
We'll keep going until we get to 60 degrees away from our starting point. And we'll plot what the curves, what the maximum and minimum plot looks like. Should look very similar to what we saw on the board just a few minutes ago.
195 gives us about 0.38.